Hi, my name is Mushtaba Alam. I'm a senior software engineer at CloudRail, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to connect IO-Link sensors to Aveva Insight through CloudRail. So here we have the vibration sensor, which is connected through the IFM module, which is connected to the CloudRail box. In the Aveva dashboard, you can see the vibration sensor is already sending data. So let me show you how easy it is to connect and then another IO-Link sensor to it. So we're going to connect the photoelectric sensor to it. So let us plug this in. Let us go to the CloudRail Management Cloud. New connection. Click on Photoelectric. Next. Select the interval. 1 second. Select Aveva Insight. Type in any name. And create. Now what is done is created the device and now it's starting to send its tags. So here you can see its metadata and the tag names is sending over and the data type. So let us go back to Aveva Insight. Now here we can search for the tag name. So let's look for the distance. And this is the correct one. And as you can see, already data is flowing into it. And as you can see how easy it is to connect an IO-Link sensor to Aveva Insight through CloudRail box. Thank you.